Alright guys, so we got this package all the way from Washington, and I'm gonna open this up and show you the cool thing that's inside. Alright, what's inside this special package here? I wonder. Why am I opening it up here in the garden? Let's see. What could this be, everybody? Usually I don't get presents. What's in here? Got a card. Wow. Okay, let's see what it says. Ooh. There you go. It's from Learn to Grow. Priscilla is the host of Learn to Grow and Crafty Mom on YouTube. A Pacific Northwest mother of 4 who is passionate about organic gardening, sustainable living, homesteading, and education. Her videos and social media posts consist of gardening, healthy living, crafts, delicious recipes, and more. As a beginning gardener myself, I value the resource that Priscilla brings to the gardening community, and I've learned a lot from watching her content. Oftentimes, I feel like I'm watching a science lesson, and on a few occasions, I'm presented with a dance-off. I didn't realize a mother of 4 could move like that. She will also be a published author, and you can pre-order her book called 4-Season Food Gardening: How to Grow Vegetables, Fruits, and Herbs Year-Round. So go check out her book and the rest of her social channels. I'll leave the links in the descriptions below. That's the person who sent me this special gift. It says, Dear Kim family, I hope this letter finds you all well. I've enclosed elephant garlic bulbs, 1 Russian red, hardneck garlic, and some seeds. Thanks for your support and watching our videos. That's so sweet. I actually only expected the garlic bulbs, but wow, she included something extra in there. So let's see what they look like. Hopefully they survived the trip. We've actually been looking for elephant garlic when we took our trip to Gilroy, but they didn't have any. Wow, there's a lot of things in here. We got the this is strawberry lemonade dahlia. Oh, she put in some flowers. Strawberry lemonade dahlia. This is a radish. Awesome. And then we got a scarlet runner. Oh, a perennial. It's a scarlet runner. And tatsoi. I've heard about this one. Tatsoi. Okay. Awesome. Sent us some seeds as well. Okay. Ooh. I'm guessing these are the elephant garlic. And that's the Russian red right there. So I'm going to figure out how to plant these. This is actually a lot more than I expected. But I'm going to go do a little research, probably from her channel, and see how I can get these babies into the ground. Garlic is one of the oldest known food flavoring and seasoning plants that's managed to infuse itself into culinary traditions of many civilizations across the world. In ancient Greece and Rome, garlic was used for almost everything, from medicine to religious rituals. It's also great for reducing illnesses related to the blood system, such as heart disease and hypertension. Garlic can also prevent cancer and be a good home remedy for colds and flus. Due to its popularity, many varieties of garlic has been cultivated, including this elephant garlic we're about to plant. Although they have a similar shape, the flavor is milder and they're actually closely related to leeks. Elephant garlic is a biennial, which means it completes its life cycle in 2 seasons. In the first year, you'll have only a single bulb with no flowers. On the second year, the bulb will send up flowers where it will typically divide into several cloves. Elephant garlics are usually planted in the fall, which may be ready for harvest 8 months later. But if it's still a single bulb, allow it another season to mature. About several months ago, we built out these galvanized bins and decided to place them in our front yard. I wasn't planning to place them right away, but our elephant garlic needed a bed pronto. We prepped the bottom with hardware cloth to prevent gophers. I then shoveled 1,000 pounds of soil and nearly broke my back. Alright guys, so it took me a few days to get this bed ready. We moved it from the backyard. I filled it up with whatever dirt was in there previously, and then I filled this up with garden bed, raised garden bed soil. Now we're going to be planting the garlic in these raised beds. Thank you, Masilla, for the garlic. So we're just getting everything prepped up, and then this one, we'll just put more on top. This whole thing is one garlic? Oh, wow. Yeah, these are bigger. To plant an elephant garlic, first divide it into cloves. Then dig a hole about 2 to 6 inches deep, with each clove placed with their pointed end up. Have each clove spaced out about 8 to 12 inches apart. Make sure the soil is organically rich and has a neutral pH with plenty of drainage, as they don't tolerate being waterlogged. You can water them in the morning so the soil can be damp but not soggy. Just like with other garlics, elephant garlics will produce scrapes, so make sure you regularly cut them back so that all the energy can go into developing giant luscious bulbs. Plus, these scrapes are edible. Once the foliage begins to turn yellow, you'll know it's time to harvest these babies. You can either use them right away or cure them for about 3 to 8 weeks in a cool, dark spot with good airflow. If done properly, the elephant garlic can last up to 10 months, almost guaranteed. So thank you, Masilla, for the garlic and the seeds. The Kim's family really appreciates it. By the way, I think I'll take you up on that dance challenge. Okay, J-Bear, hit it!
It's the start of being when your heart just like a drum, beating louder with no way to get it. When it all seems like it's wrong, to sing along to Elder John, and to the feeling we're just getting started. When the nights get colder, and the rhythms got you falling behind, just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye. And then you say, I wanna dance, the music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's make a plan, so we just like we're good and I'm rolling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, cause we're before we know how to land. Don't need to talk, just walk the walk tonight. Cause we don't need permission to dance. It's always something that's standing in the way, but if it don't let it.
Thanks, J-Bear. And if you didn't know, J-Bear does covers of all the latest hits. Go check out his awesome YouTube channel. I'll leave the links in the descriptions below. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, here's some more suggestions. And as always, please like, subscribe, and press the bell for notifications. And I'll see you on the next Kim's Adventure.